So let's start pretending we really have got to pay attention to the ins and outs of Vertiport Africa. So I thought I'd have a go at a little bit of modelling, and I did what everybody does. I think I downloaded a trial copy. I didn't download anything actually. This is the browser-based, the cloud platform version of PIX4D. And I'm super impressed. I haven't done this for a good couple of years, I suppose. So I'm super impressed. Flew the Phantom yesterday. It's generated me a model, and so yeah, outwardly I'll pretend that we're looking in at this potential runway here of 65 meters in and out of. In fact, let's open this up a bit. In and out of the Vertiport Africa. There is, look, the SUS News International Conference Centre. So let's pretend that's what I'm doing, and not in fact looking at the slopes here, over here, and working out where I'm going to put in another path, which is probably there, I think. And then you can go, you draw two lines, well, I'll show you, shall I? But it will generate this profile like this. But it's a pretty cool feature. Obviously that's bumping over the trees, but that's giving us the slopes. Let's just draw another. I'll show you. Just click a line, take it down. Let's go down there, double click it. There's our line. Generate elevation profile, and easy wizzy, let's get busy. So that's pretty, I'm pretty impressed with that. I hadn't seen that before. I think this was 300 images and a cloud processed. So yeah, well, let's pretend we're looking here, and we're looking at the point cloud here. We're not looking at the mesh covered version. In fact, I can't even remember, how do we do that? How do we make that happen? I don't know if we do in this view. But look, as I say, there's our International Conference Centre there. You can already see the trees I felled, or young Joe's felled, and that's where I was thinking I'd put the runway in. Little tiny fly in the ointment of that. Can you see over here? That's a new power pole. Eskom, our flipping utility, came and put it in last week, right on the end of my extended centre line, so straight on the climb out. I think that's shocking, absolutely shocking. I just don't know who I can complain to get that out of the way. But yeah, so getting hold of a 3D model and mucking about is considerably easier than it used to be, and I'm very impressed with this. And a grown-up that really knows what they're doing would make a great job of this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to have some more thoughts about Vertiport Africa directly. Of course, dear viewer, you know me. I'm gonna try and simulate stuff. And if you look at any video of short takeoff and landing competitions, you'll see some Zen airs in there. In fact, let's cut to some of that video now, I suppose. We're back from that video. Yeah, I've put a couple of runways in, carefully modelled my shed, and just a couple of trees in the garden. But you know, one's got to think about the range. One's got to think what value would actually having some sort of delivery port or vertiport at my home be, and yeah, is there a point to it? But it's a nice day, so I think instead of potentially going and flying this, I'd better go outside and do some more work in it. There it is, a little bit of mowing's happened today, and I've got to get in and clean these logs out. These are going to all be planked, so you can have some furniture out of these. I'll put some furniture actually made of these in the SUS News Conference Centre. About a 65-metre run. These trees are going, those ones at the end are going. There's that new power line, there's that one there. But I'm having some big wondering about my Vertiport Africa, just whether it is in fact a good idea. Do you remember a couple of years ago, if you've watched the channel, I tried counting seeds coming through with Farmer Steve. In fact, there is Farmer Steve. Well, notice this long road I'm driving down now on my way home. This would be a fantastic runway. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of platforms in here. You can get all sorts of And Farmer Steve over there on the right has put in a new shed. That's for his new equipment shed. Well, we could just call that a delivery hub, couldn't we? Or, oh, and he's got a bit of mown grass there, so we could have our EV tolls going in there. But look at the length of this road. Easily get, well, all manner of things onto it. And it's just down the road from my house. So Farmer Steve could put in a nice coffee shop, and I could wait with other people to take my EV toll or urban air mobility vehicle of whatever sort down into town, because surely one person EV tolls aren't going to be very cost effective and or very eco-friendly. Surely that'll knock it out of the way, and we'd be going on long journeys, and big stuff could be delivered to Steve's and I could just walk down to get it. There's no need for me to fly exactly to home, but I'll keep going, I'll keep persevering. But I have my doubts and my wonders as to how these things will actually work in the future.